Lot 2420A 2001 Polaris Edge X 600. Run-in machine, tearing this machine down into parts. If you want parts off this machine, give Martos Motorsports a call, 218-844-4968. Seats definitely got some issues. Got a stock track 121, yellow trillion arms, plastic skis, box shocks. Hood's in great shape. Stock pipe, aftermarket cam, VES 600 engine. The gas that's in it's kind of smelly, so I don't want to start it too long. I did have it running a little bit ago. No issues. Again, if you want to buy parts off this machine, 218-844-4968. MartosMotorsports.com. Thanks for stopping by.